Welcome to my YouTube channel MTuitions. So today I'm going to teach you how to simplify linear equations for x. Okay, so here we are going to solve this equation for x. So very first we should take LCM of left hand side as well as right hand side. So LCM for left hand side 56. So value becomes 8 into 1 minus 2x minus 7 into 2 minus 3x. Here LCM is going to be 4. So 6 plus x. Now transpose this 56 from left hand side to right hand side. Then simplify the expression. Minus 16x plus 21x is equals to 56 and 4. Check if these can be cancelled out. So yes. So this side is 14 into 6 plus x. Simplify the like terms. So negative 16x plus 21x. Solve these two. 5x. Then 8 minus 14 minus 6 is equals to 14 into 6 plus 14x. Further 5x minus 14x, transposing the variable term in one side and constant term in one side. 84 plus 6. Then from here negative 9x is equals to 90. So negative x is equal to 90 by 9 means equals to 10. So this implies x is equals to negative 10. So like this we can solve this equation for x. I hope all the steps are clear. In case of doubt, please comment.